horrific incident, a 6-year-old was attacked by stray dogs in Bengaluru. But the Bengaluru mayor is now blaming the relatives of the child, giving an unreasonable logic that children should not be left alone. Can the mayor blame the victim for civic apathy?
An innocent 6-year-old girl fell prey to street dogs in India's IT capital Bengaluru on Thursday.
ಆ ಹಿಂಡು ನಾಯಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 10-12 ಒಂದೇ ಸರಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅಷ್ಟು
ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ತಿಂಡಿ ಪದಾರ್ಥ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇತ್ತ? ಇಲ್ಲ
ತಿಂಡಿ ಪದಾರ್ಥ ಯಾವುದೇ ನಾವು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಳ್ಸಲ್ಲ. ತಿನ್ಸೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ತಿನ್ನಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಗುನ ಹಿಡಿದು ಎಳೆದು ಕಚ್ಚಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಂಸ ಕಂಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೋ ಥರ.
3 days on, Bengaluru's mayor finally visiting the victim, but only to expose his insensitivity.
ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸು ಕೂಡ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮಗುನ ನಾಯಿಗಳು ಇರೋವಂಥ ಏರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಸ್ಲಮ್ಗಳ ಏರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನೇ ಬಿಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡೋವಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
The mayor quick to blame the victim and her parents, even as incidents of dog bites are on the rise in the city.
Government hospitals say that they get at least 2 to 3 cases of dog bite specifically amongst young children across the city, and it increases at this point of time in the year. Activists and citizens are now slamming the BBMP, saying why does it take several such situations and increase media pressure on BBMP to actually for them to wake up to such situations and increase their strength of dog squad, which is something that they should have done in the first place given the history of dog menace in Bengaluru.
We have stabilized the child. The child is doing well. She is improving. Her general condition is getting better, so day by day. And we are giving her routine vaccinations as well as immunoglobulin initially we have given. She is accepting the food and all now, and she is responding for the parents and all. The condition is getting better.
But the innocent 6-year-old has to go through this torture due to the apathy of the civic authorities. But despite this, it seems like no lessons have been learned, as the mayor pins the blame on the victim's parents. Bureau Report, Times Now.